Hey everyone, I'm working on this expense tracker app with the help of MIT App Inventor. You can see I used here some text box and button. So let me show you how this app will work. Okay. So first I need to put the item name. Okay. So suppose here I can book the book. Okay. And the amount is around 20 or $30. $30. Okay. And let's click on the add expense. And you can see the book and $30 total expense is 30. Now I should clear this. Whenever I click on the add expense, I should clear both the fields. I'll do that. Okay. This is the demo video. Okay. Now let me put the another item is suppose let me try the milk. Okay. I spend money on milk and it's just like $10. And let's click on the add expense. You can see we have the book, milk, and the total expense is 40. Yes, I'm getting here the expenses also here, okay? Because I have stored the total expense value in the expenses tag. So we'll think how we can avoid this. So let's try to add some other things, okay? Suppose pen and it's just a $5 and let's act as pen. You can see we have a 45. Like this, you can add any items here, okay? It's like $1,000 and add expense. And you will have the 1045 total amount expenses, right? And you have a list also. So this is the simplest expense tracker app that we have created with the help of MIT App Inventor. I need your suggestions. What features I should add to use this app in real life? Please comment the features you want to add in this video. Tomorrow I'm going to create this amazing app with tutorial. Tomorrow I'm going to create this amazing tutorial about expense tracker, including your features request also. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye-bye.